y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video will be finally making candles. I know a lot of people, well, personally, like around me, have been asking when I'm gonna start making candles. If you watch my candle supply haul, you know this is what I was waiting on, the main part of the candle, which is the wicks. They finally came. I had to DM them, they got back to me, they sent it out, so they're here. So these candles are 10-ounce jars that comfortably hold 9 ounces of wax, and this is this is a 0.3 booster crackling wood wick from the Wood & Wick Co. And these are the things for it. All the supplies, I'll go over them quickly because I already said it in my candle supply haul. But this is a 50 pound box of wax, so I just put it in here. This is the C-3 Nature's something wax. It's soy wax, and this, oh, it's right on it. And this is the C-6. This is the coconut nature wax from, and both of these are from the Flaming Candle. So I'll be making 1 jar of the soy wax and 1 jar of the coconut wax, just to see which one has the best cold throw, hot throw, which one burns the best, which one, you know, offers the best experience in the candle. So that's why I'm just making 1 of each, just to see which is which. And then I'm using the same wick, same jar for both of them. So the only change variation is the waxes, and I'm gonna use the same scent just to see how it goes. I have fragrance oil here just to see how it burns. I have this to put the fragrance oil in. I got this from Target. It's a measuring pouring glass. It was $3. I got this alcohol from Target. Pouring pitcher, I have another one over there, and as you can see, I have the water boiling in the back. For both of these, I put the different waxes in different pouring pitchers, and then I have this to stir. I have wick stickers and the scale. So let's hop into this. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean these jars with alcohol, just to get any of the box residue out of it. And I might clean the bottom of the wick stickers just to see if it'll help it stick better. Cleaning the outside, this is ridiculous. Alright guys, so I'm gonna measure the waxes first, and as you can see, I have my computer back here. This is just like with the details on it. When I looked on the website that I got the wax from, they said it needs 6% of fragrance oil, which seems a little bit to me, but I'm gonna try it and see how it smells after I add that in. So because of the 6%, I only need 240 grams of wax. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Y'all don't mind me, I'm filming for a TikTok too, so. Alright guys, so we're exactly at 255. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the stove in the double boiling method, and this is just for 1 candle. Alright, so now I'm going to do this coconut wax, but this one I'll have to cut it. Y'all, I also bought gloves for this one because I know I've seen a lot of videos where people are like, they don't like the feeling of wax on their hands, and it's kind of hard to wash off, so I'm gonna get those gloves. Again, I got these from Target. I think they were like $4. So this is already a piece that's cut inside of the bag that it came in, and this is I think it's a 2-pound sample size. So we'll see how much that is. That's 93. Another piece that they cut, 140. Some shavings over here. $186. Or $185. That's $219. Yeah, it's exactly 240, so I'm gonna get it on the stove. So now that we have both of those going, I'm just gonna wait until they melt. Let me see how the one in the back is looking. So as you can see, it's melting pretty quickly. This is what the one in the back is looking like so far. And I literally just put the coconut on it and it's already going for, and it's not even on high. Let me turn it up. Okay. All right, y'all, so now that I've got that going, this is when I'm gonna use the Wicks stickers and stick these to the bottom of the jar. If you remember, let's move this out the way. I already cleaned these out, so I peel it off, stick this right here, and then there's another part where you can peel off. This is the part I dread, where I have to make sure I get it exactly in the middle of it. So we'll see. I'm going to clean this out and then get it on the scale, tear it, and get me 15 grams of oil. Again, I'm still filming for TikTok as well, so don't mind the other phone. All right, y'all, I poured too much oil. I took the waxes off of the pot because it got up to temperature just below 200, so I just took it off. And this is a glass that I don't use. This is exactly 15 grams. And remember, after you pour, you want to stir for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna stir. And you don't want to create air in it, so you want to stir slowly. Candles, you want to put the jars in a space you know you won't touch them, so once you pour it, it'll stay there, so you don't mess it up. And I watched this girl video, soy candles are soy Joe candles, and she said she set her house temperature to 70 degrees, so that's what I did as well. All right, y'all, so I've stirred for 2 minutes. I'm gonna get as much of this off as possible, but it's like 140 something. It cooled down a lot, so I'll just go ahead and pour it. I put somewhere I know that I'm not gonna take it up, and pour slowly so you don't get air bubbles. Oh, y'all, that looks so satisfying. I was about to say, dang. And no wax left over. As you can see, we measured everything properly. All right, y'all, so this is the coconut at the front. I'm letting the soy wax heat up in the back. I'm gonna let it get to 185, pull it off, throw in the fragrance oil, and I'm gonna just redo the fragrance oil just to make sure, because you know we had a little hiccup earlier. Just to make sure that it's 15. Tear it, and see, it's not 15. I just need 3 more grams. All right, just exactly 15. All right, y'all, so this wax is good to go. I'm a fragrance oil for 1 candle. So we have our wax here at perfect temperature, and then we're gonna pour the fragrance oil for 1 candle, and then stir for 2 minutes again. and stir slowly. You don't want any air bubbles, any sinkholes, none of it. Alright, y'all, so we're about to pour. My favorite part, pouring into the candle jar. So now this is so I want to show y'all, I want to give y'all a couple tips in making these candles of what I, learned doing it. Have your oils and everything pre-measured before you even start doing the wax, because the wax melt way quicker than I've seen a lot of people say, to avoid this right here, which is wax at the bottom, hardened wax. Because you see how quick that happens. When it's like this, either wipe it out or pour hot water in it, because now I have to reheat this, pour it out, and then wipe it out, just to save yourself a little cleanup time. Clean as you go. If you're the type of person that can't work in a messy space like me, it really helps you, to stay in the mood while doing it. And be patient, move slowly, like when you mix in the wax and stuff, just so you don't get any air pockets, because it really pay off in the end. See y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the other videos in our entrepreneur series. We will be launching soon. I'll let y'all know a date by next week. So I'll see y'all in the next video.